Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix your Toshiba keyboard that are not working, like some keys are not working. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to have Microsoft Word opened here, and some keys on my laptop are not working, like S is working, A is not working, and also the enter here, it doesn't work. Also these keys are not working. So what we are going to do right now, and some keys work and others don't work, as you can see here, some give space. So what we're going to do, I'm going to power off the computer very quickly. Then I'll go ahead and say turn off, shut down. So in the process of shutting down, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to wait for it to go off completely. Plus I'm going to unplug the computer. Then when you switch here, when it goes off, it has gone off, then I'll close the laptop. And after here, I have removed all the screws so that I fasten this process. I've removed all the screws. So the next thing here, I'm going to remove the CD-ROM very quickly, plus the battery very quickly. Then after, I'm going to plug out this. Then when you reach this step, this is the important part we have to look at, and this would work on other laptops, and this is a Toshiba. So when you reach here, I want you to really focus on this point. You have to push this gently, even that side gently, then remove this. Then this is the part for the keyboard on this computer. And when this is very dirty, as you can see, there's some dust here. So I want you to get a serviette or something, a cloth. Then I want you to put a small dot. Don't wet it so much, just a dot. So I'm going to give someone to hold for me my camera here. So when you reach here, you're going to go ahead and clean this part here. You put your finger here, then clean it gently. In my case, my control key was not working. Then when you reach here, after cleaning, leave it for a few seconds. Now our thing is very clean. And then you have to return it very safely, in the way that everything goes in very well. So you put it inside like this. Then after, you go ahead and push this lockers in. Make sure everything is locked in. Now it is locked in very well. The next step, you're going to close the back cover, and then we return the CD-ROM plus our battery. Slide it gently in. Then after here, everything is good to go. It's time for testing. And I have some charge here on the laptop. I'm going to go ahead and switch it on. And after, I'm going to pause so that this computer starts, then I'll go. So you have this part here. You just have to click with your mouse, that. Then you go to escape, then click enter. Then this is going to restart your computer. In the process of restarting, we are going to focus on the keys. When you're going to go ahead and open Microsoft Word. We see all our keys are working. If they're not working, then you shall still go back and clean and still check. If it's a software problem, then we can see what. Then when I reach here, I'm going to go to start. I look for Microsoft Word. Previously, I could not use the Control key to select all the text. So our Word is opening, and you have to just keep everything as I'm showing you. You have to just follow the instructions, and this would work. You don't have to take this to the technician. This is something very easy. So this is where we stopped in the previous Word document. So I'm going to maximize this, and then I'm going to type all the digits. I have the A, S, and then the enter was not working. Enter is working. Z, X, and let me see if I can select Control A, and everything is selecting very well. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. And this is how you do it. Comment if you need any help. Have a nice time. Goodbye.